Welcome to Design Coach with Repsketch. In this video, I will show you how to create a professional t-shirt sketch using Repsketch. Repsketch is a free online vector design tool to create technical fashion sketches by repurposing existing designs. So let's get started. We'll first look for an existing t-shirt design that we can reuse to expedite the process. Repsketch provides this extensive library of vector-ready designs contributed by our community. Let's use this men's 3/4 sleeves t-shirt design and start editing the sketch right away. First, let's select and ungroup all its design objects from this ungroup button at the bottom. I like to change the sleeves and neckline of this t-shirt, so I'll delete them by selecting and using this Remove Object option here. Now, let's look for a nice pair of sleeves in this component's pane as our replacement. This looks good for our raglan sleeve type body. Just drag and drop it on the workspace. Now, we'll resize this to fit the body and delete all the extra lines by ungrouping this sleeve component. We'll color this using this fill color bar here and adjust the layers of this sleeve using this Bring to Bottom tool. We'll also group all the parts of our sleeves like this and adjust to the body. This looks good. Let's quickly create the other side now. For that, I'll just duplicate this sleeve, place it on the neck, hold it from one end and flip. Great! Now similarly, we'll look for our neckline replacement from this component's pane. I like this Henley neckline, so let's drag it into our workspace. Place it here and adjust the size. Great! Let's also adjust the layers of the design objects and the sleeves to match the neckline. You can also add a graphic to this t-shirt by picking one from our component pane or even drag in one of your own files. But for now, I'll keep it simple. To finish off, we'll select and group all our design objects and our t-shirt is ready. We'll simply save our design from the design properties by clicking here, accept the user licenses, give it a name and description. We encourage our users to keep their work public so others too can take inspiration from it and perhaps even repurpose them to build on top just as we did. You can tag your sketches too, like this. Save the design settings and that's it. You can also download your work as an SVG file here. Here's how Repsketch empowers your vector design skills in the most simplified manner.